Hello and welcome to this live. This one, yes, you can clearly see we're getting in the mood for the season. It's a beautiful season ahead, full of course, weddings, celebrations, and yeah, just generally fun. So, it's going to be one great live today where we're going to be showcasing to you a bit of everything, honestly. There's going to be some fabric suits and dupattas. What I'm wearing, of course, is Rosanna. Rosanna is one of our most premium collections in suits for this season. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, and if you can believe it, it's made in pure cotton. And you can see this is our signature color. And this is all about grandness. It's the most stunning effect that you will see in the dupattas. I do have some colors which I'm going to be sharing with you. Every time I wear it, I just think that there is this very special, mood and vibe that you get into once you wear it. It's just like really you feel like a queen. Today, yes, of course, we're all decked up, ready. You can see our beautiful check. What we have also been trying is, of course, our fabrics are amazing. We're trying it in more than one way to kind of, design them, style them. So yeah, that's what we have been doing. So you can see this wonderful look just for you of this fabric that you can see right here. Anyways, so we're going to get started with one combination that we think is great. You can see this right here. This is a fabric in premium cotton. Okay, so this is a premium cotton fabric, and I have seen it honestly styled in so many different ways, right from the fact that somebody said, yes, we are so happy that we made the most beautiful banana print for Rusta the baker, and I'm so glad. I do hope to show it to you as well. It should be available for you to buy as well very soon. So yes, that was one great project that we worked on this season. So coming back to this has been styled in so many different ways. We have done straight kurta. I've seen that. We haven't done it, but we've seen our clients do it. Straight kurta, ghera kurta, some embroidery on it, highlight on it. Like you can do the outlines of this and then you can do a hot pink touch to it. It'll look amazing. But what we have also added is this. So now you can do a full look in it. This is of course a brighter blue. This one is a lighter blue. But you can see the whole effect together. You can go for just one of these. You can wear these two together. They're of course two slightly different shades of blue, but I do think that they look really nice, very fresh as a concept. So these are both premium cottons. Premium cottons are generally so good to be kind of, dressing up. And this one of our premium suits, of course, this one is made in Karwa. It's the most intricate weave. I do have some colors which I'm going to be showing you. It is, as I said, it's a vibe in itself. It makes you feel grand. It makes you feel so good about yourself. It's got this wonderful dupatta, and we will show you colors in it. But before that, a fabric that everybody's loving, since I think the last 2 years a lot is tissue silk at that. And you can see this wonderful tissue silk. And honestly, you can wear any kind of dupatta with it. I do have many dupattas today, which I will be showcasing to you with it. But I can also show you the different designs that are available. This is one design option. You can buy these by the meter, so that's the good part, that they can be bought by the meter. You can even wear a combination of these. You can see that here right there. And the last one that I have for you is this one. So let's show this to you. Hope you guys, are planning to be here on 17th, which is of course our, it's like a first open event in our new studio. So that's that. And for everybody else, of course, you can see that we are already creating that vibe for you. Come on WhatsApp. That's how 95% of us have been doing business forever. It's always great to kind of extend it, like a studio visit is now an extension, and you're most welcome. But you can always shop as always in the same way. Now this tissue silk fabric, wear it even with a contrast pant, and what you can do with it is something like this. Look at this amazing, wonderful fabric with meenakari. Wear this as a pants, wear this as a jacket. All of that is going to be possible. I'm going to just open this fabric for you a bit. Keep the tissue aside. These are the gorgeous fabrics that one can see. Now, is there a restriction कि क्या आप इसके साथ कर सकते हैं, क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं? I think you can just do anything with it, from long jackets to complete looks. I would also do a cross kind of a top, you know, a overlapping top with this particular fabric, straight silk pants, you know, maybe high on the waist like the cut, and you can do a simple long kurta slash top with plain silk fabric and have the most gorgeous look that one can think of. Okay, so motif is like this. Let me just show it to you once more. This is how the motif is. This is the first time that we have created this wonderful jet black color, and I think it looks amazing. Look at the weave, look at the finishing. It's got everything that you know you've been looking for in your premium fabrics. Now I'm going to come to this particular piece, and I'm going to be showing you the stunning colors that we have. This set is called Rosanna. It's about luxury. It's about, you know, enjoying luxury, you know, every day with us. So that's your piece that you can see. This is the most beautiful shade of purple, and I do have the dupatta ready in it. There you go. Here it is. That's the dupatta. That's the kurta. 3 meter kurta hai. The bottom is also made along with it. Oh, thank you guys. You guys are amazing, amazing. Thanks so much. And look at that. Here it is. That's a really nice shade. The one that I'm wearing is, of course, it's a beautiful mix of pink and brown. So this is one shade that you can also go for. You can just ask us for a signature color. And we always dye it on your order. Yes. So, and I'm showing you many other different colors that you can choose for. Now, if you are in the mood for something dusty, something very classy, this one is a gorgeous pink, and there you can see the whole look right there. And in fact, this collection, you know, I think we launched it this year, and then we were, you know, we were wondering that these premium suits in these compositions, you know, we're so happy that we've kind of worked upon it, and that you guys have loved it so much. Yes, when we work on such premium collections in fabrics which are alternate other than silk, it's always a question on our mind that, you know, how is it that you're going to kind of respond to it. So we were very pleased with your overall response to it, and you can see the brand new additions that we have done in the new color palettes. This, I think, is such a pleasant peach. I think all of these colors have, of course, been done keeping in mind the pink Nina, which is actually the signature of it. Okay, so you know, there you go. That's the last color. These are all ready to go out. Remember that ये जो fabric बना हुआ है is the same as the kurta itself. We have done this border specially on it. The bottom has also been created to keep up with the entire premium look, because we do not want to give you a plain fabric. We want to give you a same fabric of the kurta in the base with the border. Okay, and there is actually a lot of effort and time that goes in making a plain fabric on the same loom. But yes, it's when it's something like this, then it has to be done. Look at that. That's one wonderful look, and that's the last color. From that, we're going to move on to, as I said, today we're going to be doing a bit of everything. This is our satin silk fabric. Okay, and now you can see that, of course, this is a beautiful gold light. We also want to show you in our lives that जब आप ये पहनते हैं, and these are the real colors, because we have all of this temperature controlled, so this is very close to the real color, or they are the real colors. But what my point is that, you know, when you're stepping out, when you're going for the evening, you're going to be out and about in a gold beautiful light. I mean, that's how, you know, any grand event is going to be. And I know so many of you ask us कि मुझे night light में आप दिखाना, that how is it that, you know, these pieces look. This is exactly how they look. Look at this most wonderful satin fabric, and it's got this touch of green. Of course, wear it with a green dupatta, wear it as just a same on same look. It's gorgeous. And I'm going to show you the brand new, very hot color that we have made in this particular fabric. Okay, so you can see this. This is a satin finish. We make it really special. You'll see this is totally matte, and this is, you know, this is of course the softest satin finish that you'll see. And thank you so much. And what I do have with it, as I said, you can go just for the fabric. It looks amazing. There is nothing that you feel, yaar, मैंने कुछ miss कर दिया when you're just wearing it as a fabric. But if you want to kind of add on to it, make the most gorgeous combination. I do have the most brilliant dupatta for you. Just have a look here. Wear this wonderful dupatta, make it as a statement on its own, you know. I mean, you can just do a plain silk suit with it. And yes, because this is the highlight of any look that you're going to be choosing for, okay? So that can be one thing. You can then also, of course, go for a red, because ekdam, you know, it's an obvious choice for it. And let me just show it to you once more together. The creation of this one, we have spoken about it so many times. It is one of the heritage weaves that we have revived to be able to create this wonderful, most amazing piece in dupatta. That's the back, that's the front. I will show you one more color in this particular piece. But before that, I'm going to go on to this, the very hot pink that we have created in this particular motif. Okay, you've seen me wear this in plain katan silk, pink as nice as this one. Okay, so that's, you know, the moment you see a plain silk, I think, you know, one goes wild with possibilities. Okay, I definitely did. But honestly, I wanted to keep it contemporary. I wanted to keep it, you know, something I really can wear it, as always, anywhere in the world. So for me, it was a very structured, almost like a men's silhouette adapted in a suit, okay? Now, when you come to this and you see this hot color, and then you see this, you know, touch of Bhuta, it's the same color but a different feel, you know. You start to think that, you know, what is it that I'm going to do that is going to highlight this Bhuta very much, okay? So it's one very stunning color. First things first, it's in satin, and yes, it would be great to complement it with a beautiful dupatta such as this one, okay? So two same colors, two different fabrics, and two very different vibes that can be created with one hot pink color. So isn't that amazing? It always is. Look at that. There you go. That's the combination. These two colors, I think they just look so good together. And what is it that I have in my hand is this one wonderful Bani dupatta, and there you can see it. Okay, just look at the color, how it kind of flows. It's just amazing. So drape it up on a lehenga, wear it on a suit or an anarkali. These are your just, you know, really easy way to dress up. Like, you're not thinking much. You will have that one distinct look without really having to worry. The only thing I really don't want you to do, ever, okay, I mean, ever, is to worry about what to wear. You guys are fabulous as, you know, as you are. And I know you have very enriching wardrobes, okay? So, I know sometimes it can be a source of stress on what to wear. But for me, it's always about the joy that it kind of should bring to all of us without us feeling stressed or feeling that, you know, it's like, you know, you read a beauty magazine, okay? And this is a very old song, but I'm going to say that you read a beauty magazine and what do you feel about it? You feel always lacking. I mean, for me, that's always the thing. I mean, since a child, you never feel good. You feel I don't have enough. You feel that maybe that person looks so much better, etc., etc. And the reverse is exactly what I want you to feel always when you're here in our live, when you're with us at Neve, is always feel good about yourself, okay? Whether you buy, whether you watch us, whether you just are here for these beautiful textiles just to kind of know more, whatever it is, the emotion always and always must be of feel good. Feeling great about yourselves. You guys are absolutely amazing and, you know, will always be. Now, look at that. There you go. That's the combination. So, yes, 3 colors in this wonderful satin fabric. This one's got a red and white. I can never ever resist. Of course, isko aap just aise hi enjoy kar sakte hain. Look at that. And this gorgeous dupatta. Oh my God. It's absolutely amazing, you know, that perfect red piece or pieces one wants. I mean, क्या हमें सोचना चाहिए red पहनने के पहले? I do not think so, okay? You love red, you like red, wear it, okay? Of course, you can always style it differently. You've seen it with white, but इसके साथ what I'm going to show you is one of our most stunning silks coming this week, and that is Florence, okay? Florence is amazing. It as always will be, especially because of the motif. But what is launching today is this brand new gold color. And look at the richness of it. I'm going to open it. I find it absolutely amazing that you can make this the very finest of fabrics that one can by hand, and in this beautiful colors. You will notice in our newer collections that we have, in fact, for of course our fabrics and our yarn dyed pieces, we have kind of adapted a completely new technique of dyeing, which is why I think they look even more fabulous, you know, and they will become of course more complex as colors for you to kind of adapt anywhere else. Okay, so that's the whole secret, that they're very, very unique. Now the thing, when what happens also for us, if you say that give me a plain bottom, for me the first choice would be that you go for a same on same, because that's going to be the perfect look. Even when we make it so difficult these colors to compose, we also make it difficult for ourselves to dye the bottoms. So for that 100% match, we would say that you go for a same on same, but yes, we are still very good at our dyeing. We could do a very close kind of a color to it, so that's possible, but yes, then you should really go for a long kurta where your bottom is hardly visible. Now look at that combination. I think it looks amazing. Okay, so yes, this is going to be thank you guys, thank you. Yeah, it's a totally different vibe today. So here it is. Now look at that. That's an amazing fabric. Wear it with the red, wear it even with a black dupatta. I think it's going to look amazing no matter what. And on that note, that was a brand new fabric for you. Yes, there's so much excitement in the air in our studio for sure, because all of these beauties are here, you know, just in time for the season to begin. This is the first of this very wonderful 3-piece pure cotton suit set. Okay, I'm just showing you for the very first time right there. Here it is. This is the first piece that we have made. We're so happy with it. And there you go. Okay, so, and it's the most perfect peach color. This is the bottom that's been made. And I love the motifs on this dupatta. This is a no tassel dupatta, but if you want, definitely we'll be able to kind of add on to it. Now you should see the delicate 2 flowers that we've done, and you know, just done 2 different meenas in each one of them. I think it's absolutely stunning. Pure cotton suits and karwa weave, and yes, there are something special about it. Because now I'm going to show you the other part of this. Hello and welcome everybody. So great to see so many names, so many familiar names here. It's always such fun. And I mean, you know, I think I did a live 2-3 days back. I'm not sure when. I'm kind of losing the time scale. But, you know, it's like every time I do it, I just think that, wow, I'm so happy and I'm so grateful for you guys that you're always here, and, you know, that we've been doing this all thanks to you. That's the new color. So what you see, that peach piece, is the second design of this collection that you see. This collection, and I'll tell you what's so special. We made this again as a pure cotton. This is a Sona Rupa. The bottom is made together. And every piece that we've been making is of course over. So that's the whole fun of it. We make one piece for you, we show it to you, and then you pick it up. So that's the amazing part of it. This is a stunning green shade. And ye jo season hai now, you say yaar, okay, and that's okay, I have one more shade. I have one more shade for you. So 2 shades of this, 1 shade of that, and then we are done, yeah, for this collection. But the question about what is it about cottons and how do you make it so premium? Yes, they are absolutely different to anything that you have seen. The way they are composed, the way they are made, the way they are in fact even dyed, you know, it's all absolutely unique. And once you have felt this, of course, it's extremely different from a silk suit, the feel, the look, the texture, everything about it. But at the same time, yes, it's so gorgeous, okay? And there is a time for silk, most definitely. And there is a time, and I think uska jo time hai wo thoda zyada hai when you will be able to enjoy a piece like this, okay? Accentuate it, you know, you can highlight it, you can just wear it as it is, you can jewel it up, you can keep it simple. Everything is possible for pieces like this. Pure cotton, the softest by hand in Sona Rupa. On the same note, I think we're showing you this season, we showed you just the new launch that we have done for this season. This mustard and the green were from a previous one, Rosanna. And jo ek ongoing collection hai hamara, again of our super premium cotton suits, is this one. Look at this piece, look at the finish, look at the Nakshi work in each buta that you can see, and the closeness, for a weaver to make a buta, which is, each is a karwa buta, so close, so dense. It's a totally different thing altogether. Yes, somebody's saying these are cotton. Yes, actually these are cotton, but they are like treasures. If you do a fabric testing exercise, cottons like these last you 100 years. Yes, that's right. When we check on the duration, the timelines of how a fabric kind of works, over a period of time, 100 years. That's the life of a pure cotton piece like this, of course. So yeah, we have to have superpowers to enjoy it over 100 years. But this fabric, I mean for us as people, but this fabric can actually last that long. Okay, from that we go on and move on to two very wonderful and beautiful dupattas in the same ones. Do we have one more piece of this one? Okay, we have only one piece, and that is this particular one. And I think all of this year I've created so much of this most wonderful, beautiful shade of green. I love it. I think it's something that you really can do like all day. Like you can do this in the morning, in the evening. It's just beautiful shade of green. What you're seeing is a Rangkat style of dupatta. Look at the back. The fabric of this is Kora silk. Kora silk. To me, I always call it organza. So yeah, that's the fabric. Now, you could be doing like any color suit in it. But to me, if you're going to be wearing this, even if it's a plain chanderi, the guff chanderi, and I'm telling you, the guff chanderi also looks really good with it as a suit, as a base. So you don't have to really spend so much on the suit because the whole look is of this particular dupatta and it is gorgeous. There you go. From that, we move on to another stunning piece, and I have shown you one green, and I did want to show you this most beautiful blue. So there you go. When you think of these dupattas, okay, it should kind of create every kind of desire in your minds and hearts. That's my intention of making these. And yes, of course, thanks for all the love that you have sent our way for making and seeing these pieces. You can see the intricacy, you can see the back, all of the things that are so fabulous in this wonderful piece. Okay, now, most importantly, how are you going to place your order? The way you're going to place your order is that you're going to be coming on WhatsApp. Okay, I know many of you are new to our pages over the last few weeks, months, and that's why I think we just put up a video on Saturday where we just told you what we do. We make suit, fabric dupattas, from the basics and the core. We just posted in fact a video today, this morning, about a lot of nice kurta and dupattas which were like 20k and even lower. Okay, so we do the basics, we do dupattas 5,800, we do fabrics in cottons with Meena with weaving in 2,400 range per meter, of course. And then from there we go all the way to the super premiums, the premiums, the mid-range. For us, a suit like this would typically fall in the mid-range. So we do it all, okay? But sir, we have 3 categories and we have worldwide shipping. You have to come and place your order on WhatsApp. And yes, cash on delivery is available. And bahar se hame Neev ko payment karna is super easy. Just payment links, that's it. That's all that you need. Okay, so now it's time for some more suits because today we're going to be doing all 3 categories. All some super pretty, super new pieces that you gotta see. Yes, here it is. Of course, we are launching it in just in time for the 17th of July. That's going to be the one day where we are opening a brand new studio for you to visit. Okay, it's a full one-day event, and yes, hopefully we get to see many of you in and around Mumbai. I know Mumbai everybody travels to, so Neen has to be on your agenda. And especially, ये वाला especially उनके लिए है who want to buy only by touch and feel. I know there is that whole big category of you. I meet you at every show that that I do, and I get the same message. We've been watching your lives for many years now, but we've been waiting to touch and shop. Okay, that's why I do all the tours to different cities. Okay, and that's why also we have now the studio where you can get that experience of touch, feel, and shop. And because the season is right ahead of weddings and celebration, this is a fantastic time to be here in our studio, and of course there's going to be something special for you here when you come too. Okay, so that was one wonderful lightweight chiffon meenakari suit. Okay, so that was all about the Meena. Ab main usse hatkar I'm just going to go on fabulous colors and gold zari. So this is, this is one great look for you. When you're looking for something light, this is chiffon georgette, tassels done, plain bottom, and I do have two very fresh colors that you can see. Isko aapka pehen sakte kahin bhi. Okay, the new studio, okay, remember we were earlier in Powai and we are also now in Powai, but it's down the road, it's a different space. I think jab humne likha new studio and then we wrote Powai, and then people said you are still in Powai, you were always in Powai. Yes, we are still in Powai, but we have moved into a new space, which is just 2 buildings down. We will send you the address. Just write hi to us on WhatsApp and we'll send you all the details. Okay, so there you go. That's the second color of this suit, and I think it's gorgeous with this. This is the plain bottom with it. So yes, ultra lightweight, easy wear, very low maintenance. Yeah, it's all good. I think we're showing you lots of our best sellers from this year, because next up is our all 3-piece linen suit in 2 brand new palettes. They're most amazing color, and in fact I want to show them to you together. Look at this brilliant piece. Okay, this is the linen dupatta, this is the linen kurta, the most wonderful motif and the borders that you will see all there. And of course the sabse, isme the whole the whole look has to come together by putting this across, which is also the linen bottom. So all 3-piece linen suit for you in this brand new palette. I think it's a wonderful neonish green, and it's a great thing to be enjoying and wearing in the day. Okay, now I'm going to show you another color with it, which is going to be, mujhe pehle dono, I want to compare it and show it to you, and then I will show the other color completely, which is this. So this is a lemon tone and it's a really fresh one. This is the green tone. Both are gorgeous in their own different ways. So pick up any color that you like. You just cannot go wrong. So think of a day wedding, day lunch, day party, day gathering, anything during the day. These are going to be amazing. And the moment you go for a black in this linen, then it's a great evening wear, early evening wear, even a dinner party wear. It's going to be great. But something like this from morning to early afternoon, that's the time when you're going to be wearing. I'm not, that's the bottom of course, and it's this pure linen. When I kind of suggest colors and create looks, yes, we do work with our clients who look for that entire, I know some of you have come saying that, and it's really such an honor that I want to change this section of my wardrobe. Can you help me with it? And we have gradually built pieces that are meant to last, okay? And they're meant to be timeless and that you can really enjoy. But for me, it's very important that to be able to understand what is it that you're looking for and which scenarios, because I just want to understand the light. When I know the light that you're going to wear, then it's very easy for me to suggest a fabric, to suggest a look. It's just, then it's just like kind of really makes the entire process very, very easy. So yeah, I'm very happy when you're looking for a wardrobe shift, when you're looking for multiple looks, when you have a big wedding or you have a wedding, you have those couple of looks in mind. I'm always here to kind of advise you. Yes, just let my team know, they're always on the chats and they will get you to me. Okay, so yes, here it is. Now this one is most wonderful Ektara, and I know otherwise ye jo lives hain ye isi purpose ke liye hain, that for me I can kind of express and help you make up your mind by telling you the intentions that we have when we created these pieces, the philosophy behind it, everything, the craft. That's the whole idea. That's an Ektara suit when you want to wear something in silk and it has to be season specific. Ektara silk is the piece for you, okay? It's lightweight, Danidar silk, that's how I like to call it. It's most amazing. So that's the Ektara silk suit for you. From there, we're going to move on to this. Look at that. This is like such a tough color to show you on the screen, but we are very happy to be in this light. because you really can see the correct color of this one. Now, when you see this fabric, it's all fabulous, okay? I mean, how can you go wrong with it? It's amazing, like a short kurta, and you can do a lot of ghera in your bottoms. You can go for a flared bottom, thoda sa, you can do all of that, okay? It's absolutely amazing. But what I'm going to do, thank you. What I'm also going to do is show you a lightweight dupatta. Now the thing is that we can do a ultra heavy dupatta with it, if that's the look you're trying to create. But if you want to kind of keep it, because this itself is pretty heavy, if you want to keep it like a complete set without the dupatta being too heavy, this is a great option. Buy this Kattan silk per meter. This dupatta 12,800, and I think it looks amazing. But if you want, we can also have this dupatta in the base color and not as a contrast. So that's also possible from our side. And I'll show you how you really can change this entire look by doing a extremely beautiful dupatta like this. Now this dupatta is a statement, you know, it's karwa, jangla jal, all karwa basically, and in georgette, which is absolutely rare and very difficult to make. So you can do this pairing. You see how it kind of, you know, I mean, both the looks very different, same fabric, but two very different looks with it. And yes, this is unbelievable actually when you see this piece, how light and how beautiful it can be. And this is the back. You can see all that there is to see. Here it is. It's wonderful. It's like this tomato red color, and the zari is light gold and it's got a touch of silver. And I want to show you how it looks when you do it as a black. So we have the black in a different design, but it's a superb one. Now you see that both the pieces have been made in gold. Okay, they've both been dyed. The moment you dye a gold piece in black, of course pura hi piece dip hota hai. So the moment it dips in that hot water, which is going to, you know, which has the color, the zari will also pick up certain amount of that color. That's how all dyes will work, okay? So when you see this, and I think it just looks like that, you know, you see that Victorian jewels, you know, which has that gold and then it becomes like that blackish finish. That is exactly how it looks. It's a stunner, and just wear it with a plain silk, but also wear it with this tissue fabric, okay? I think it's so smart to just kind of, you know, pair this up with this tissue fabric. Look at the look. It's absolutely amazing and so good. And yes, so this is a great pair to be doing together. You can of course go all black, but I think thoda contrast mein there is more fun. Now last few dupattas, and that's the end of this live. And yes, a lot of wonderful pieces for you to pick up from, and all of this is available as always on WhatsApp, okay? So बहुत तरीके होते हैं, you know, you go to a store, you even go to a studio, you even go on the website. But for us, when you're coming here at Need, one and the main, and I think, you know, that's how 99% of your shop is coming on WhatsApp. You see this, you take a screenshot, and then you send that picture to WhatsApp, and that's it. Bang, you have everything. We'll send you the details, we'll send you all that we have for you, and you know, just so that you get everything that you want about that piece. Now of course, maybe the lives, yes, sometimes they can be long. This one is 30 minutes, but remember, we always have the most amazing pieces in our short videos too. So choose a concept that you like. That's a nice Munga silk fabric. I was wearing this today in one of the videos. This is a gorgeous one, and I wanted to show it again to you because I was wearing it with this gold look, and that was just a simple Guf Chanderi kurta. But our Guf Chanderi is anything but simple. It looks gorgeous. And now I'm wearing this very premium look, and you can see, you can pick up a color that you want, take it in silk. Like I love this dusty look and this pink shade. This is one pink shade, and then this is the other pink shade. Both extremely different, both the dupattas of the same price, but you have a choice. You can go for this one, which is of course this hot pink, and then you can go for this Rani pink. So take your pick. Lots of wonderful pieces in Bandhni, in silk, in georgette, in Muhunga, in satin, all of that, and of course in premium cottons and linens. Oh my god, everything we have done today for you. The most amazing pieces. Hope you guys have a great time ahead. It's just like, yeah, the week has just started. So wishing you a great week ahead and make the most of this live, and I will see you soon again.